Hello, I am back with another video. Thank you for watching. Today I am doing dishes. We had Sunday dinner on Sunday and I didn't do dishes. I had dinner and I caught myself taking a nap and going to wake up and do dishes, but that didn't happen. So I got off work on Monday and now I'm doing dishes, but that's okay. It's not going to take too long. I'm going to put some in the dishwasher and wash the rest. How you doing today? I hope your day is going well. I had a good day at work today. I'm not going to be talking too much, so I hope you enjoying the videos that I am putting out. If you could think of anything for me to do, please reach out in the comments and let me know. I will be doing some wig videos in a couple of weeks, and I will be doing some tutus and tutu socks. I will be making lap scarves. I will be doing I can't pronounce, I think it's DUIs or DYIs videos. But I hope the content that I'm putting out, I hope you all is enjoying the content I'm putting out. I will be putting out more content. I'm going to try to do a video a week, each week. That's my goal, to do a video each week. Let me know what videos y'all would like for me to do. Please leave it in the comments. This is just everyday life. Cleaning up, cleaning the house. I do have something special coming up for you all. I am a breast cancer survivor, and I am doing my breast cancer. I will be doing a breast cancer photo shoot because my 5 years will be coming up in December. Thank the Lord for that. I am a living testimony, and I am blessed to be here. But y'all let me know what y'all like to see, and I will try my best to do it if I can. I love to cook, so I will be doing a little cooking videos. But thank you all for watching my video. Thanks. Bye-bye.